Hey y'all, welcome to Chrissyville. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the new Dyson flat iron that is a whopping $499.99. Will you be purchasing? Now, I was looking at it because I'm like a product junkie, a supply junkie when it comes to my profession. But I was looking at this and I don't know. I don't know if it was the way they promoted it, but it didn't jump out to me to make me want to spend my 500. So I don't know. It's basically,
This is the Dyson Corral straightener with manganese copper alloy plates. Invented to flex, shape,
they're supposed to flex,
and gather
shape,
for enhanced styling.
and gather for enhanced styling
The hair damage.
without damaging your hair.
Dyson Corral.
See, that's the commercial. Like they ain't do nothing. Ain't nothing jump out and make me want to spend my money. So y'all let me know. If y'all gonna buy it, if y'all buy it and try it, let me know how it is before I spend my 500. Cause I mean, that commercial. I'm sorry, Dyson. Y'all normally do it for me, cause they little heaters and all of that stuff. They usually be doing it. Like they usually have some type of like something that just make you just feel like you got to have it. Like, so I don't know. Y'all go on here and buy that and let me know how it is. If y'all say it's fire, then I'ma try it. But if not, I don't know if y'all can get my 500 for that Dyson. Do a better commercial.